You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this confusing word. Indeed, it is confusing. There are different correct pronunciations too, so stay tuned. I've got more videos for you as well if you want to learn more correct pronunciations, usually pronounced in British English as tenure. Alright, tenure, or in American English, tenure. That's fine. It can also be pronounced as, it's also a correct pronunciation to say tenure or tenure for the Americans. So let's say two different pronunciations if we don't count the R for the Americans. Let's say tenure or tenure for the Americans, and tenure or tenure for the Americans. Two different pronunciations. Can you hear the difference? Tenure, tenure? Let me know in the comments how you pronounce it. And now, at least, you know. Was this any useful? Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.